welcome to TechScrew Team's DIY group. Today we'll show you how to easily replace the battery in damaged or old Beats Solo or Studio headphones without buying new headphones and saving you a lot of money. This battery repair method can be used on Beats Solo 2 or Solo 3 wireless or Beats Studio headphones. Today's patient is a pair of Beats Solo Wireless 2 headphones. To do this DIY, you need to buy a replacement battery in advance. You'll also need some DIY tools to carry out this Beats headphones repair. After that, you need to open the part of headphones case where the battery is. This is where the tools come in handy that come with the battery. Remember that battery is on the right side. At the moment when you separate the two plastics, it is important to do it carefully so you don't tear the wires, otherwise you'll have to also learn how to solder. If you did break off the wires, here's a picture on how they should be soldered. Now you need to get out the old glued-in battery, but remember that lithium polymer batteries can catch on fire. So only do this in front of your grandmother if you're under 18. Be careful not to tear the wires when taking the battery out. Disconnect the old battery and compare whatever the new battery has the same connector. If they are the same, plug in the new battery and congratulations. So no one will suffer from battery's ignition. Put the new battery in place. If it doesn't stick properly, use double-sided tape for fixation of the battery. Now for the tricky part. Putting the two plastics back together. You have to put them together and then squeeze. If you hear any clicks, you've done it right. Beats being so badly built that even the screws are not used. The main thing is to do it without rushing. It was so easy to save about 150 euros without buying new headphones. As always, if you have any questions, suggestions or just criticism, feel free to post them in comments. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to make us happy.